Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play. Double check if your Facebook app needs to be updated because it's very crucial that you update your app so you won't face any crash, lagging, or whatever. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen. Go ahead to your browser. If you want to add music to your profile, it says open up your Facebook profile on your device and then view your profile page. Choose the music option and tap on it, and then any songs that you may have added previously to your profile will be right in front of you, and you can add any songs but you want by tapping on it and start streaming. So I'm gonna demonstrate an easier way to actually pull this off. I'm gonna just open up my Facebook, right? And as you can see, I'm gonna click on my menu at the below right corner, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my settings here at the top right. This is like a shortcut if you wanted to. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until you find the audience and visibility, and then click the profile details right here. So you're gonna be able to see all of your accounts, work, places that you lived, and all that. Scroll a little bit down till you find the music section basically, and you're gonna be able to find it right here if you wanted to add like links to music or whatever it might be. You're gonna be able to find it right here, and you're gonna be able to add it here. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.